Ay sa likod. Pagpasama ko rin anak ko, i-award mo ni Jay Consolation Prize. Yun.
Gumagin man na.
Kita yung anak ko.
Dadangag minor awards.
May I request our punong barangay, Cap Edwin Santos Yago, to please hand in the consolation prize of our non-winners. Ating organizers to please prepare 5 chairs, 5 pencil, and 5 bond paper. So thank you so much, kids. Thank you so much for joining and sharing your talent to Barangay Santa Cruz. Palakpakan kay Manila Apo. Your parents and your parents very, very proud of you. Thank you so much, candidate. So we will now proceed to the question and answer portion of our top 5 finalists. So, doon yung nalay bubing di question 1.
Chairman.
Ay, si SK chairperson na lang daw ang magtatay. So, okay. Ulitin ni Ma'am Gabi DJ question mamindwa. Sakay ko lang ang sulat nung malpas na nga maibasa nga mamindwa. Okay? Yura yung JJ signal ko nga go. Okay? Ready na, Ma'am?
Hello, beautiful girls. Congratulations. Ano ti kay get you? Tagalog o no Ilocano?
English. Galikod.
Ilocano and Tagalog na lang daw.
Okay, so your question is, ano ang wish mo? Anong wish ang gusto mong matupad? At bakit? Sampay? Anong wish ang gusto mong matupad at bakit? Ito ka.
Wait lang. Ilocano pa ni Ma'am Gabi.
Anati wish mo nga kayat mo nga agus gusto ken apay. Anati wish mo nga kayat mo nga agus gusto ken apay.
Okay, you may now write your answer. Time starts now. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. So, balls up. So, pakikuha ng mga ball pen. So, okay. So, ang unang sasagot ay si candidate number 1. Basahin mo ang inyong sagot, anak.
Good afternoon. Good evening, everyone. I wish ko ken soon tumakin nakin at dati napintas na trabaho. Ken agbasa na nga nalaing tapno matupad ko ti pangarap ko. Ken agsingsing petak kanayon. Ken kanayon nga pray ken God. Tapno mapasaya ti pamilya. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Next, let's proceed to candidate number 3. So the criteria for judging for our top 5 is 60% for IQ and 40% for beauty. So anak isang bato na to.
Good evening everyone. Kayat ko nga pagbalinak tong tumakyan na kayat ko ti agbalin adoktor tamayat ko ti timulong ti badak nga tao when mo ubi.
Thank you so much, candidate number 3. Next, candidate number 5.
Good evening. My wish is to be a businesswoman in the future because I get to own my own company and I have time to spend with my family and have money to buy things for my family. And I thank you.
Tagalog yung tanong pero sinagot ng English, diba? Candidate number 6.
Wish ko ket makapagbasa ang kanalaing tagamin kayat ko nga agbalin to a nurse ken tapno masunod konto ti kayat ko when yung pangarap ko ti buhay. Tulungan tubay tinanak ko ken tatang ko pagobra ti gawain bahay and I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 6. And now, let's proceed to candidate number 8.
Sa basa.
I want to be a doctor to help. I want to be a doctor to help sick people and to make my dreams active and make my family proud and happy. All thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, candidate number 8.